Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the susuk filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To do this filter you have to go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, and in the trending section just slide up. Okay, until you see this image. Remember this image, this is the filter. Okay, tap on it and that's it, you got the filter. Wait for it. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then you can go to discover. Let me go to discover. Okay, so in discover search for negative fill. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. Tap there to use the effect. Likewise, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also, then what you can do, okay, let me go back, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.